To monitor all the actions you have done on HollaEx exchanges, there are a few places to find the information, but nowhere is easier and more convenient than the history page. To access it, we can either find it from the wallet page, this blue history link in the top right, or perhaps more conveniently the big history link in the sidebar. From here, we have a few options. On the first page, we will see trades. This is exactly what it says on the tin, a list of every single trade, buy or sell, that the account has made. We can get a bit more specific with what is displayed with pair filtering or choosing a specified time period. Next up is the order tab, which for me at the moment isn't too interesting. This is because currently it's filtered to just active orders, which at the moment I don't have any. We can though of course filter to the closed ones and see a little more interesting page. The last two pages mirror each other and are simply deposits and withdrawals. Again, self-explanatory, deposits being anything that's come into my wallet and withdrawals being anything that's been sent out. And these have similar filters to the other pages.